Who's watching? Hi, Eric. Hello, Eric. Hi, Eric. Hello. Thank you for watching. Hi. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Look who's talking now. Look who's talking now. Silent viewer. Nanonood lang. Where are you? dad is home now, no? He's still at the, no. He's still at the hospital. Someone cooking, it's my brother and my sister's husband. Who was copying? My sister husband. And the baby here. Rain. Never rain. Oh my god. Hi, Golden. You got your bags in. Yeah, but I think no bugs now because no one I like, no. Welcome back, long time we're here. Huh? Wake up early. How everything? How everyone doing? I think doing fine. Ouch. Who's someone like a banana? Stop kissing. Why? Sorry. You don't like it? I love it. Rainy here, raining. Yeah, I need to sleep. I think. Can you guys hit the like? Hi, hello. Just keep push. How is your day? It's a good day. Wardor. Why doesn't mom go to the hospital? She's going now. Hey mom, she's going today to the hospital. She's going today. Why doesn't mom go to the hospital to take her of her own husband. She needs to be there overnight, not you. My mom is old, so that's why she needs rest because of further health. My mother. They got him overnight. Um, she old. She gets around great. Hi, bye-bye. Come here. Come on. Oh, baby ko doon. Why are you so fun? Wala nag-iyak sa live ni Tita. Come on. Baby ni Tita, Mami, na maganda hununan. Chilibang, chilibang, chulibang, chuling, chuling na, chuling pa. Badam, badam, badam. Baba ni Mama, si maganda. What you want? Ano gusto mo? Mas bagay. Nakakita. Da da di da da dan, di 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 Chididing, chigiding, chidading, chigading, chidading, chigading. I know. I know the shivers are real. Let's go. I do. I'm trolling, 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 trolling. Ang bata ko doon, si John Heng, Charlie Bimbang. Know that you're all for me, got on the street. I know that you're all for me, got on the street, never lost company. I know that you're all for me. Chubby pa, chubby pa, chubby pa, chubby pa, chubby. Hi, thank you for the likes. Dito, chitong choling. La 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 la. That's your baby, no? She's my niece. She's my niece, not my baby. She's Ashley, my brother's daughter. The beautiful baby girl, Ashley. Baby, solo baby. Beautiful baby, baby Ashley. Baby Bing Bing Shoy. What? Hello. She want too much food. Thank you. 15 people here. Thank you so much. Hi. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Mabay tayo. Gusto mo bang banguran? Ito lang ito. Bing, 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 bing. Thank you so much. Hope you likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Hello. Hindi ko mabasa. Sige, ding, ding. Sige, ding, ding, ding. Sige, ding. Sige, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Upo ako. Upo si tita. Tita, mami. Ibog daw ng kamuti tita, mami. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Ibog daw ng tita. Magmain ko si tita. Ha? Ha? No? Yes. May talaga ng anak mo. For how you love her. You don't know her. Is it heavy? Not heavy. Hi, Mapsy. Thank you for joining here again. Thank you for the live. I love you. How old she is? 5 years old. Beautiful. That's, that's your baby, not my baby. Why is she's golden? Why is the love? uh she's sleeping. Cheryl put her down. She is too big to hold. Thank you for the likes. She's still my baby girl. My baby girl. Boom, 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 boom. Why is not she's in school? When going to school, that time she's sleeping. She sleep a lot. She sleep well. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. I know I never know this weekend. Oh, I send her home to sleep. Her mother is in the hospital to change me. And at the hospital there, my mother, Ashley's mother, Zaya's mother, yes. Tonight, I'm going there. We're shifting. Me, night shift. They are a day shift. Don't worry. Ang ganda-ganda ni Choling. Ang ganda-ganda, mom. Ang baby ni mom katawan. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda. Ay, shoot, ito. Di-di-di-di-dang. Di-di-ding-ding-dang. I know this, but make her go home. Home ka daw. Magaling ka ba? She just wake up. Look, she's so cute and beautiful. I want to have a baby girl. Huh? I know. Thank you for the watching. Thank you for the likes and thank you to those who's watching. Thank you so much. Not like her. Of course. But she's pretty like her. She's beautiful talaga. She's beautiful. Ang beauty talaga ng baby. Ganda-ganda po. Ganda-ganda. This is, oh my God. Hello. Hi, Chicken Dawn. Hello, good morning. Afternoon here. Maybe morning to you. Good morning to you. Good afternoon here. Fernando. Ashley, go home. So good. Feels so good. Ding, 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 ding. I feel so good. Chara, ding, ding, ding. Thank you, 15 people here. Thank you for the likes. Hit the likes, guys. We can, man. Eduyan nyo kasi para kagigising lang po. Cesar. Kagigising lang. Love, hi, Ramadan, Labaran. Hello, Cesar English. Ramadan. Thank you for watching. Jolly. Jolly. Jollibee. McDonald's. I want Jollibee. Baby love. La 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 la. I never go over. Makanta kita baba? You want to sing? Ilan taon na anak yun? Hindi ko siya anak. 5 years old. Ashley, she's 5 years old. Nanggigigil ako kay Baba. Yayani Huza. Nanggigigil ako. Nanggigigil ako talaga. Nanggigigil na talaga ako. Kasi na maganda. Ang ganda mo. She's just wake up. English, everyone. Thanks. Boracay. Ram, you're next. Okay. Someday. Gigil ako. I feel gigil na talaga. Gigil ako, Baba? Gigil ako, babang. Adang taon si Bichong Ringan. No food or snack actually for you. No food. She feel sad. That's why she is looking for you. I bet if you give her a snack, she will go. Yeah. I thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you. Anything this Đây cô ở đây mua. Đây cô ở đây mua. Sorry guys, you go ahead and talk to her or shut up. She out cold. Daragadadat. Hindi ka na kailangan. Ano ka? Tagal na kitang iniibig. Tagal na akong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon ka ng ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako di mo. No, she's not. She's looking around for snacks. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ko. Nandito ko, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ko. Look, try to fall asleep too. Nandi, just making things up. Tuko, umiibig sa'yo kahit na nagdurugo ang pusa. Kung sakaling iwanan, or is that a song? Wag kang, I'm not, she's the snack self. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ko. Aray ko. Nandito ko. Umiibig. Oh my God. Lolo Pepper! Wala ping Jollibee Silibang. So maganda. I'm not cheese. beautiful. So maganda. See, she's about to turn to look on the other side. What do you baby? So magayarn. Sumakanya. Ganda, ganda mo. Ang ganda, ganda mo. Ang ganda, ganda mo, Choleng. Tuka, umibig sa'yo. I need somebody who can love me. I'm always. Gusto ko mag-sleep? No? No, sige na. Sleep. Go home and sleep. You want to go home? What? What's happened, baby baba? Sleep. You want to meme? Nandito ko. I'm just playing. If she know there is snack nearby, she will take. Ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo? Ikaw. Mapayong ka. Kuha dito ang payong si Balay dito. Kaya may color pink dito. Hi, John! Cheryl, oh my God. Send her. Dala ko dito ang payong ang color pink. Ano gusto mo? This bed. Alala, alala, da 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 da. Digi digi di dong, digi dong, ding 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 dong, digi dong, digi dong dong dong, digi dong dong. You and I. Da, 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 'cause you and yes. You need to get more rest, yeah. Ano? Makata na kita? Makata ka na? Ikaw na lang. Kaya nagla-live si tita, ha? Kuha dito sa balayan ang umbrella kulay pink. Nagayon mo ito. Dali, come on. Wait. Oh, magpakala ka na, ha? Meron kang mais ka lang. You need to get, oh yeah. Ano? Ano? Ito para Tita Glinda. Ano naman ang gusto mo? Aray ko. Ano ang gusto mo? Mas kinano? Mas kinano lang? Bili ka lang. Akala ko mas kinano lang. Bili ka lang ha. Don't go away. You want this? Ashley, go home. You need to get more. Ashley, you hungry, yeah? She feel hungry. Oh, shit. What's that? My God. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Hello, Ash. Why so sad? Hello, baba. Ako na nabuksan ta. Hello. Tulala. Why did you sit on the nail? Something like a slap. Oh my God. Table. You and I wow, so masarap more. Table. You like this chocolate Cloud9, but if you have a chocolate, dark chocolate, can you send me here? Can you give me here chocolate? Don't give it to her. She needs a real food. Yeah. Okay. No. See, Golden, she was looking for junk food. mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, send her home if you're not gonna give her real food. Sarap naman yan. Benedict, matwa-matwa. Ba't matwa-matwa? Kinakain mo, Cloud9. Chocolate. Cloud9. Hmm. Nag-dreams ka? Hit the like also. Thank you. Hope mas masarap kapag ayun lang. Leche yan. Bye. Ayaw yun. Ayaw yung kay... Nagkuha ka baso sa iyo kaya ano yung sangkuting. English. You and I, you'll spoil your tenor. Ilan, thank you. Benedict, alam mo yung mga ganyang tanungan, yan sinasabi. Ginagawa yan.
Tita, may school ako.
Wala naman, school hapon na. Naguruli na sila.
May school ako.
Wala na hapon na, naguruli na sila. She want to go to school, but hapon na, di ba natulog ka? Aga naman ang school.
Secret na
Masigit na ingod ko na buli na panto. Siklit. Mabuli. May school pa ka mo. Saan ka ulit?
may school kami yun.
Ako na. Ranong ulian na. Di man naman siyang paisugang. Nabalot na ba iti, ma'am? Sabi mo, sorry ma'am, nakatulog po ako. Bias. When you are getting monetized, need hope tomorrow. Manifesting monetize tomorrow. Oh my God. Before Christmas, I will monetize my channel. Everyone can send me gift there. She is close. Hi, Animal. Kumara. Thank you for 6 likes. Thank you for watching. Hi. Go. In front of me, she's eating. No, not junk food. It's best Rick Choco. It's just a wafer. Nagkaang ka kanina luto. Wala mo.
Prinitos.
Prinitos na nun.
Yes, ma.
Wow. Let her eat at the table. Yep. Wala man?
Wala kang baso ka da?
Ka! You and I. Cause you and I. Nice place. Is it hot there? Not hot. Just not hot here. Just
Ito mo school.
wala man kami school.
60 na school.
Di ba ito mauli na yan to. Hapon ay marunong sila kuya mo kaya pauli na yan to. Tawtod.
Emodun mo si ma'am.
Yan to. Wala.
Emodun mo.
Ay pag-uli mo dito, mararaway ka lang. Kawara naman dito tao sa school ngayon. Ay mo dito si Riley. Unulit na. Oo. Tapos may kaklase ka didi ha. Didi ho, para nilason niya. May classmate ka dyan. Yung maliit. Oo, nandiyan na. Kawi lang. Sino na may tindahan doon, no? Dito sa ang pamilita mo, Julia. Tindahan. Si Ashley na ito. Si Ashaya, ito. Arisha ito. Hanggang si nag-ulit na yata. Ito na may tindahan doon sa kanto.
Tapos ako may school.
May school. Tapos na nga ulit na ka naman. Di ba natulog ka? Halagba o nang tulog mo? Maaga na ito. Kuya din na sila kuya mo tantoyo. Hapon na. Garakon mo ko na yan, di sabi ni mama mo. Papapandisang she got music and dance in her head. Yeah. Yeah. Sabi mga sinasabi babaero daw ako. Sinong may sabi nagkakatingate, hindi naman gusto. Babaero. You need to have lunch prepared for him, not just hand him money to go get something. No, not. You need to have lunch prepared for him, not just. No, it's not money. It's like a box like this. It's not a money. Oh my God! I'm gonna make her. Huh? Oh my God! Misunderstand. I have a question. Do you take medicine? No, nah. But Bye-bye. Your dance are funny, but so what? Mm. Her defense is hanging out. Sweet. Oh my god. Attention na. Guys. So what? I'm crazy too sometimes. Me, I'm almost. Not always. Almost. Almost crazy. Ang sarado rin.
Torin.
Namerindal na ka mo?
Torin. Torin guys ang kain niya.
Namerindal na ka mo, Toren? Ha? Ano daw?
Ang hapta. Si Kuya Torin ako.
Now, see? No thirst now.
Kuya Torin nga nag-uruli. Nasa light.
Nagmerindal na ka mo?
Hindi pa madede.
Igod natin ni Kantoren. Toren na.
Katiga.
Hello! Sabi mo, hello, Golden. Hello, team. She can't read. Hindi ka lang, Ash. Dim airs, oh my god. She doesn't understand the word no. Ash, can I Ash? That's why I asked first. She should be in school. She said, I want to go to school. I said, you don't need to go to school. Your class is going to go home. My mom said, I need to go to school. But you're late. Over late. But them Ash. Wait lang, Ash. Ash. Kasag na. Fernando. Cheryl, don't baby her. Why?
Ako?
Sige. Buta mo sa rep.
Okay.
Buta mo sa ano, i-plastic mo. Sa mo sa rep. Dali. She will never leave. I would if I was there. One time and never again. That cute fish. She get everything. I couldn't say no to her. She's a pita. Lol. My God. I want to go to sleep. I feel sleepy. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for joining here. Cheryl, if you tired, go to and take a nap. Yeah, I take a nap. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining. Love you all.